Hello everyone, this is Wyatt with Pew Pew Tactical, and today we are conducting a field strip and reassembly of the Springfield XD Mod.2. To start, we're going to first press the magazine release and remove the magazine from the firearm. Then we will pull the slide to the rear and ensure that there are no rounds in the chamber. Now that the weapon is safe, we're going to pull the slide to the rear and push up on the slide lock to lock the slide in place. With the slide locked to the rear, we are going to push this takedown lever and rotate it up. With the takedown lever rotated up, we are going to depress the slide lock and slowly let the slide forward. Once the slide is forward, we're going to pull the trigger, which will release the slide and let it slide right off the frame. With the slide removed from the frame, we're going to put a little bit of forward pressure and pull up on the recoil and guide rod spring assembly. Once that is removed, we want to push forward slightly on the barrel and then pull it down out of the bottom of the slide. This completes the disassembly of the Springfield XD Mod.2. To reassemble the firearm, we are going to put the barrel back into the slide and then move it to the rear until it locks into place. Then we'll take the recoil spring and guide rod assembly with the large part facing forward, putting a little bit of forward pressure and pushing down until it seats in the bottom of the barrel right there. With the slide reassembled, we are going to put it back on the frame, ensuring that the slots in the rear of the slide line up with the frame rails. And we are going to lock the slide to the rear using the slide lock. With the slide lock to the rear, you want to rotate the takedown lever back into the downward position. Now we'll release the slide slowly, and we'll check function with the trigger. While holding the trigger rearward, we want to rack the slide and check the trigger for reset. We have reset. The last thing we want to do is reinsert the magazine and pull the slide to the rear to check for hold open. This weapon is functioning fine. This has been the field strip and reassembly of the Springfield XD Mod.2. For more information on guns like these, head on over to pewpewtactical.com, your definitive source for gear, guides, gun reviews, and all things that go bang.